everyone, welcome back to my channel. Friends, आज हम चलेंगे माता गार्डन, a restaurant in Bangkok, Nonthaburi area में. This restaurant is a very beautiful restaurant and the ambience you can see here is wow. It is actually amazing. You can enjoy the nature ambience in this restaurant. Mata Garden also famous for their cultural activities. You can book this restaurant for weddings, you can book this restaurant for birthday parties and all kind of celebrations. Sitting arrangement is totally like the Indian restaurant. You can feel it, the Indian ambience here in Bangkok. The food is very delicious. People also come here to enjoy live singing. Every evening there is a live singing program happens. This is a one-stop place where you can enjoy ambience, nature, food, music, activities and many other things. You can book private parties here. Food, veg, non-veg, Thai, Italian, no problems at all. You will get all the cuisines. Not only this, if you want the place for your kids to play or hang out with, there is a place for kids also, where they have slides, they have sand games, they have swings and many other things. So this was the Mata Garden. So अगर आपको मेरा ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो, so please do share, comment and subscribe my channel. So share my videos with your friends. For the next vlog, please do stay tuned with me. Bye bye.